Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video is going to be super exciting because there's a massive sale going on this website that can literally take your Instagram account from zero to hero. You can get followers, likes, views, comments, everything at insanely genuine prices. Guys, there's a 50% discount running on all services. I'm going to explain everything in detail, how you can make the most of it. So don't skip this video. Watch from start to end so I can show you how to take full advantage of this platform. Everything is on discount right now. You can get millions of views, likes, and followers all in just a single click. Yes, you heard that right. Single click. So don't skip this video at all because I'll guide you step by step on how to use this website. Whether it's your YouTube channel, Instagram profile, or any other account, this can take you from the bottom to the top. I genuinely want everyone to grow. Your accounts have grown massively. Your YouTube to Instagram, everything will see real growth to this site. So now, without wasting any time, let's jump straight into my phone screen so I can show you everything clearly. So what do you need to do? Just open Google or Chrome. In this video, I'll show you how to sign up, how to place orders, add funds. Let's go! So the website's name is GetMyLikes. Yes, just search GetMyLikes on Google and tap on the website. Once the site opens, you'll see a super user-friendly interface. Click on Sign Up from the top right menu and create a simple account using your email, username, and password. Once done, now let's talk about the services. We're not just talking Instagram, we're talking YouTube, Facebook, and every major platform. From Reels views to followers to likes, high-quality, non-drop services. Once you use them, your numbers will not go down. Let's go over some of the services. Instagram Reels views, high-quality likes, non-drop followers, YouTube subscribers, video views, likes, comments, Facebook page likes, followers, profile followers, everything all in one place. Now let's talk about adding funds. Click on the menu icon in the top corner, then tap Add Funds. Choose your payment method, Google Pay, Paytm, PhonePe, UPI, whichever you're comfortable with. You can even add a minimum of Rs50. Add any amount you want depending on how fast you want to grow. Enter your number, tap Add Funds, click on the card payment, just enter your amount, then enter your card details and click on Pay. In just 2 seconds, your funds will be added faster. Now comes the main part, placing an order. Click New Order. Select service you want. For example, Instagram high quality likes. Copy the URL of your post, paste it and choose the quantity. Yes, it's affordable. Then just click on Submit button and boom, your order is placed in a single click. Your order will start processing within 2 minutes. Still unsure? Click on Orders in the menu. You'll see all your order history. Completed, in progress, cancelled, everything. Now, if by chance your fund gets stuck or the service doesn't start, don't worry. In the menu, tap on Contact Us and explain your issue, and within 5 minutes, you'll get a response. Still need help? Drop a comment on this video and I'll personally help you out. So guys, this video was all about how to grow your social media using GetMyLikes. I hope everything is super clear now. You won't even need another tutorial after this. Watch the whole video carefully and take action. I'll keep bringing more such helpful videos for you, so make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. See you in the next one.